Inside a paper factory, a worker was feeding a sheet into a huge rolling machine. Unknown to him, the machine was already malfunctioning. Suddenly, the paper caught and dragged the worker forward, pulling him dangerously close to the rollers. Nearby workers rushed in, panicked, and managed to reverse the machine just in time. The man suffered serious injuries, but his life was saved. This accident highlights how dangerous it is to ignore machine servicing. Workers must receive proper guidance, and faulty equipment must never be operated until fully repaired. At a car service center, a worker guided a car onto the ramp. The driver, maybe in a hurry or just nervous, pressed the gas instead of the brake. The car jumped forward like a rocket, hit the worker, and rolled partly over him. People screamed and rushed to help. The man was rescued alive, but definitely not trusting drivers anymore. Always use signals and communication at service stations. Drivers aren't mind readers. A few seconds of clear guidance can prevent a serious accident. Stay visible. Stay safe. Inside a steel coil factory, a worker was attaching a crane hook to lift a massive coil, but the hook wasn't properly locked. Suddenly, the coil slipped and landed on his legs, trapping him beneath its enormous weight. He cried out in pain, and nearby workers rushed in, using all their strength to push the coil off. Their fast response saved his life, but the accident showed how unforgiving heavy materials can be. Proper training, secure hooks, and safe zones are essential to prevent such dangerous situations. Inside another steel factory, a worker was walking by when a loose plate suddenly slipped free. The pressure snapped a steel wire, whipping it across the worker's legs with violent force. He fell instantly, narrowly avoiding a worse outcome. Though he survived, the accident looked terrifying. This shows why regular inspections, maintenance, and proper information are vital. Hidden dangers like loose plates or wires can turn ordinary tasks into life-threatening moments. In the mine, one worker was pushing a heavy trolley onto the lift. Calm day, nothing unusual. He assumed the lift was there, but it wasn't. The trolley rolled forward and both went straight down into the basement. The crash was loud enough to freeze everyone. Thankfully, he survived with injuries. Always double-check the lift position before use. One quick look can save your bones. Machines don't forgive assumptions. Always confirm before you move. In the garage, one worker was welding a trolley like usual, but here's the twist. He was standing on a cylinder. He thought it was empty. Spoiler, it wasn't. A single spark dropped and boom! The explosion rocked the entire garage. The man flew a few feet back, luckily alive but badly injured. The rest of the workers just stood frozen thinking, what just happened? Never weld near a cylinder and never stand on a cylinder, even if you think it's empty. Sparks don't care what you believe. Safety first, welding second. Inside a marble factory, one worker was busy cleaning a large slab, while another casually leaned on the marble stand. With just a small push of the hand, the balance shifted. In that instant, the heavy marble crashed forward, pinning the worker's legs while several other slabs toppled from behind. The sound of breaking stone echoed across the factory floor. Fortunately, the worker survived, but the marbles were destroyed. This incident shows how even the smallest mistake can cause massive damage. Strong, secure stands and clearly marked safe zones are the only way to prevent such accidents. On the bridge site, workers were building like superheroes. The forklift lifted a massive beam. Everything looked perfect until it didn't. The beam slightly touched the bridge wall. Boom! The balance was gone. The forklift tilted, the bridge part slipped, and everyone ran for dear life. It was chaos, metal falling, dust flying like a movie scene. Thankfully, no deaths, just injuries and one very scared forklift driver. In construction, one wrong move can bring everything down. Always secure balance, check weight, and stand clear. Machines can lift metal, not mistakes. Inside another industry, a man was packing boxes when a robotic machine suddenly malfunctioned. Without warning, the arms of the machine grabbed hold of his body, holding him in place. He screamed for help, and other workers came running. Luckily, he escaped with no injuries, but the fear was real. This incident is a reminder that robotic machines cannot be blindly trusted. Emergency controls, constant monitoring, and strict supervision must always be in place to avoid such close calls. Inside a steel plant, a massive drum filled with molten metal, nearly the size of a car, was being prepared. A worker stepped forward to unlock the hook holding it in place. At first, everything seemed perfect, but then one side of the hook slipped. In an instant, the drum tilted, spilling molten lava-like metal across the floor. The fiery liquid spread quickly, burning everything in its path. With such extreme heat, no one nearby stood a chance of helping. This accident shows why handling molten metal requires experienced supervisors, regular inspections, and precise training. One mistake can destroy an entire factory. Outside the petrol plant, a big tanker was getting repaired. The workers saw a tiny leak and thought, "Let's fix this quickly." Then spark! The tank went up in flames like a bomb. Smoke covered the sky. Workers ran. Alarms screamed. Several people were burned, but no one died. Fuel and fire are enemies. Don't let them meet. Always work with grounded tools, anti-static gear, and no sparks nearby. A small spark can turn into a big disaster. Inside a factory, a diesel pipe burst without warning. Fuel sprayed high into the air, striking the shed roof before pouring across the floor. Within seconds, flames ignited, and what started as a small fire grew uncontrollably. The blaze consumed machines, computers, and even the shed itself. In the end, the only thing left untouched was the CCTV camera that recorded it all. This accident shows why weekly inspections of diesel and petrol-powered machines are absolutely necessary. A single ignored fault can burn an entire factory to the ground. Inside another factory, two workers stood talking beneath a large shutter. It looked harmless, but suddenly the shutter gave way and came crashing down. At the same time, one of the men walked toward the exit. Hearing the sound, he ran just in time, escaping what could have been a deadly blow. The accident felt like pure luck, but in reality, it was a warning. Every shutter, machine, and structure in a factory must be inspected and serviced regularly. Safety checks are the only guarantee that such miracles won't be the only thing saving lives. This incident demonstrates that unsafe, unsecured storage combined with people working directly beneath unstable loads creates a dangerous chain of events in any warehousing or storage operation. One small failure can quickly escalate, leading to serious or even fatal injuries that could have been prevented with proper planning, securing materials, and enforcing safety protocols.